too.
Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today I'm standing next to our 2019 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. Guys, this is a great boat. Whether you're just beginning or you're returning to your roots, you'll hear stories up and down any boat show dock about folks who grew up with these boats, swamped them while skiing with a big wake, or even rolled them over and still managed to get them back to the dock before their father found out what they had done. And that's just a testament to Boston Whaler's incredible build construction and the quality they put in these boats. The pass behind me on any given summer day, you'll see 2 or 3 or 4 of these leave a weekend and run wide out into the Gulf, whether they're just going for a cruise or they're actually looking to go fishing. In 2019, they did a couple of tweaks to this boat, one of which is the storage above the dash. It's incredibly handy for cell phones and other things that you just want to put out of the way when you climb in the boat. Of course, it's backed by a very strong and well-known 40 horsepower 4-stroke from Mercury. Most of these come with a trailer. They have the new boarding steps for 2019. These small swim platforms off both corners are just a treat when you're trying to get on and off the boat, whether it's at a restaurant dock or when you're climbing on and off of it for a trailer, or you're at the sandbar, which you'll see plenty of these at the sandbar. Folks, I'm Jeremiah, MarineMax Sarasota, and this is our 13 Super Sport. If we can answer some questions for you or show you just how sporty the little boat is, we'd love to. Give us a call. We'll talk to you soon.